Wagwan guys, I'm going to a Chinaman store. You have a problem. I'm going to explain you after what happened. But for real, we need to buy something. And yeah, let's check out. Hello. So basically we need something what related to hair products. We need not a hair product, well, you can consider it as a hair product. Yeah, I'm in a Chinaman store, and here what we have all about hair, but I'm not going to plait my hair. I need something different, not the hair. I'm not here for your hair. Hello, do you have scissors to cut here? Oh, alright. How much for them?
210.
Oh, 210. You only have one option, like only them? Alright. Alright, thank you. So, I'm buying hair scissors. Nobody can cut me here. So, may I go cut me hair myself? Yeah, I'm gonna need scissors to cut me hair. Sorry, do you have like a conditioner for a baby curly hair?
Just in the contour.
Alright, because I am new to a curly hair. My daughter got curly hair, so I'm trying to see if I can use something on her hair, because it kind of tangles. So try to find out. Oh, okay. So this when you apply it after you wash, right? After you wash hair. Okay. And this is for just a normal conditioner.
Yeah,
alright. Oh. So what are the difference? What is the difference between two of them? Or we can just take one and
this one you don't have to wash out, this one you just spray the hair.
oh, this one you spray.
Like
oh, leave-in conditioner. And this one I
regular,
just regular. Yeah. Alright. I will take the one.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so I'm going to try this one on Mila here. No whole options though. Yeah. And so much hair products. Rasta. I found more scissors. I'm going to take one of them. I feel like the one that I take, them are not really good one. God, I'm kind of cheaper version. I feel like me need some. Look at this at 250 and this a grand. But I like the look better. I think they are more solid. I could take either this one or the one. No. This kinda. Yeah, cause I'm gonna use it long term, so I'm not fit cheap with myself. Yeah, don't be cheap with yourself. Treat yourself. And see, guys, I soon have to start plait up Mila hair. They have a lot of plastic. Them call them hair beard. I don't even know all them call the pretty stuff. That pretty stuff. Them something for hair. Them have enough of them though. I mean, I know if we plait baby hair. Definitely going to take it to the hairdresser. To do it professionally so it can hold longer, but them have whatever options. Father's Day is coming and I need to find something for Errol. My people at work. Yeah. This one looks good. Errol was talking about him want a super dad cup. Him want a cup like that. And I don't know. I think it's a nice option, but Earl is here, so I'm gonna see. It's not gonna be a surprise then. See him there? See him there? Oh, me I go grab it and I'm gonna see it. And now I go be excited, you know? Theme. It's a magnet. Number one, Dad. Big boss. Big boss. Big boss. I don't know how to do it without Earl knowing, but see there? Oh, I like that one. World's greatest dad. Close your eyes. That's Earl's dream cup. World's greatest dad. You want the cup? I'm paying for it. With the our card. Eh? But it feels solid. Hey Mila, I got some for yourself too. Mila got something for herself. Mommy got something for herself. Daddy not get nothing for himself. Me forget something for Daddy too. I like this one. I think the one like most, you know, cause you know. Yeah, I like this one. It's more solid. Hello.
When are you going to start doing more dance videos again?
Oh, I am not sure.
Completely made me go through COVID because all I did was watch your dance videos and it just totally cheered me up.
Oh,
Just stopped.
I do it, you know, but not that regular, cause you know I have to take care of the baby and the house too. But yeah, man.
Soon start again?
Yeah. I hope so.
I swear to God, 2020, I made you that whole laughing at your videos.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah, I need to take it more serious too. Alright. I need a fan for the boys too, cause them love good things, you know. Hey, my kids, they love good things. Them want a fan too. I need to grab them a fan for them on herself and stop thieving the fan. And my mother asked me to buy something for her foot, for scrub her foot. Cause she stopped going, you know, in Russia she used to go do pedicure and them fancy things, you know. Now in Jamaica you can do them something, but nobody have time for that. Everybody just in them house I do them service, you know, service them on herself. So that are the thing there. So my mom asked me to buy something to help her do her pedicure, cause she didn't really have them something. That one looks greater for her feet. Greater feet, greater. That she needs something like that. Hey Mila, gonna check other section. Hey, look what I found. What I go buy it in Jamaica? Most for fashion. Let me see. Some people wear winter jackets, but most for fashion, cause in this you sweat. Mommy and Mila. Hey Mila. Mila. Them something. See dancers, them are dancing at them something, cause I don't want to just jump and buy them something and wear them in a regular day, on regular day. Yeah, must dancer shoes, I call it. See, dancer shoes them. Thirsty, well thirsty. Need something to drink. I'm a bubble tea from that plaza. Well thirsty. Look, Mila, look, giant bubble tea. Morning. That's exactly how in Vietnam bubble tea used to taste.
Nice. Melon, you want to taste bubble tea?
Hey, this is lovely. I love it. You see, Errol? But tapioca, them need to boil it a little bit more. It's hard. Either them use old tapioca, either them not boil it fully. Tapioca pearls of a chewable. Tapioca pearls not ready. Either them use old ones from yesterday. You need to do better with tapioca pearls now. Cause these are the thing, you know. See that?
No, you can't eat it.
It's hard. It's not feel hard. It have to be chewable. So it gives a that nice feeling. But me like it. Tea base, nice. But tapioca, old. Father's Day is coming, right? See, Fontana put up them flyer and put up them poster about Father's Day. Are you excited for your Father's Day?
Not really.
You ready to receive your
I do it every day.
best dad cup?
Yeah. I do this every day.
Well deserved, eh? We say well
I do
deserved.
this every day, so you know when you get used to this kind of lifestyle. Try me again. Yeah.
We are talk.
I would really appreciate it if you guys
Yeah.
surprise me with something, huh?
Yes,
I'm not used to
I'm going to surprise you with a cup. The most awesome dad. See, you always dream about cup. I know you tell me that.
Yeah. That's why I'm like,
How come you not have no cup like that?
yeah, the big
Awesome.
father's cup.
Awesome dad cup.
You need that,
Errol wanted to put me in a the trolley and him know if you wipe the seat. You mad? If you wipe the seat first. Cause you don't know who touched it, who carried what. This is a baby.
Gen Z.
Sanitize them
Gen Z
things. You have to sanitize first.
You need a napkin.
To sanitize when it comes to a baby, especially.
I know, but Gen Z, mommy, this is kind of wet.
Germs free.
You can't put up my wet thing out.
It's alright. It's alright. Put them on. You want help? Alright. So let's roll. Let's shop. Yeah man, we gotta go shop. Alright. Alright. That's how we shop. I wanted to stop the video already and just go and go do the shopping, but I see something on I can't shop. Look on the salad price. Salad price gone up. Grand fee a pack. It's 300 grams of salad in it. 1,000 Jamaican. Just the other day, but yeah, look, you saw a grand with something. Look a bit funny. Grand 1,000 to like 300 for salad. For salad. Look a bit of salad in our grand. Cause just the other day I could have buy a pack like that for even a 400 easily. Right now I do not see cheaper options. What's up? Like the salad price gone really up. Lettuce, but you know my husband taught me it's a salad like in Jamaica. It called salad, but a lettuce. No, I understand the price. Politics of the prices. I'll take this one, but no makes sense. Cause I don't know. Oh boy, I'm gonna take it. But I am very upset to pay for 200 grams of lettuce, 800 Jamaican, almost. Very upsetting. What you saying, Danny?
I want to go to Russia.
You wanna go to Russia?
Yes.
You wanna go to Russia?
Why, Ronaldo?
Lionel?
Because I want to go to Russia so I
But you
could
want to
have
see grandma?
snow.
To do what?
You want to see snow?
To see snow? You want to see
Daddy,
snow?
Yeah, I want to play snowball.
Snowball fight? What about you, Leah? What you want to do in Russia?
Just play in the park.
Where?
In the park in Russia is kind of fun.
Oh, in the park. It was fun. Okay. You like the amusement park too? And just regular
the
park?
baby one.
Hmm?
The little one.
Yeah, and you like the bouncer, the giant bouncer.
What bouncer?
Remember the giant bouncer you used to jump on?
Oh, I mean that big trampoline?
Yeah, like a trampoline.
But not a
The
big trampoline.
the
Like
big.
a bouncer bouncer.
Yeah.
Then
It
what
can be a
was I
business.
doing
This
there?
can be a business idea for Jamaica too. Somebody if we put the giant bouncer and blow it, charge kids for going. Like everyday thing, not
Mama, do you know
once in
that
a
White
while,
House?
you know?
Mama, do you know that White House?
Not like kite festival and you see
Mama.
it there. Like every day
Mama,
somewhere in the
do you-
park
Mama.
and somebody just
Mama, do
charge
you know that
certain
White
amount.
House? Mama, do you know that White House? You remember?
remember what? Alright, your final answer is Russia.
Because if you got to Vietnam, you need
I'm
to
gonna send you with Granny, yeah? So you see Granny is going to Russia soon, you know?
back.
Yes, she's going back to Russia.
So,
Yeah.
why?
She has to go back.
Why?
She has some health issues. You will miss Granny? You love Granny? Going with Granny? Really? But I'm staying in Jamaica and Daddy will stay in Jamaica. You still going with Granny?
I want us to go.
You want all of us to go? It's going to be very expensive. I'm not sure if we can go all together because it's very expensive. Plane tickets are expensive.
There's like games in Russia and
It's not so easy. It's complicated.
Yeah, man, miss, we just had to check. How many kids you have for youth 7? Where I go?
Yeah, man. So far, that are the huge minus, very big disappointment when it comes to international relationships. Me have me home, the country where I'm born, at the next end of the world. And of course I miss my home country. Not so bad. Yeah, but I think if Errol would live in my country, he would be missing Jamaica a lot more than I miss my country living in Jamaica here. And actually feel like Errol would be sure depressed if that would be different. If I would be living in my home country and he would be living in my home country too. What do you think, Errol? If we would live in Russia, would you miss Jamaica?
Of course.
Yeah, I see
I
that.
couldn't live no else. I don't know how you do it. That's why I'm even cherishing it more because you sacrifice so much.
These are the struggle of being
I would
in
never.
international relationships.
Can't live outside of Jamaica, man.
Yeah, and for Errol as well, he doesn't know Russian, so all he would do in Russia.
Yeah, how could I take care of the family, man? I cannot.
That other thing, you know. I probably if we would live in Russia, I would be the main
You have to be
source.
the breadwinner.
Source.
You have to be the breadwinner.
Yeah. No, the bread
The breadwinner.
maker. Bread maker. Yeah. And that would be like no choice situation. Because what Errol would I do in Russia? Teach English. Teach. Errol can't dance. Him can't teach dancing.
So yeah, try say everybody come to Russia away from another country dancing and teach.
Like either them teach dancing.
English.
Here English. Or either them in a entertaining industry. Or I can't see.
I'm in a baller.
Oh yeah, you could have trained ball,
Yeah,
yeah.
kids.
Could have trained ball, yeah.
come-
Hi guys, so right now I'm in my kitchen and I'm about to chef up something nice for my mom before she gonna Russia, and it is going to be a Rasta inspired dish with the ackee, Jamaican national fruit ackee. Just the other day my mother, she wanted to try ackee, but I did cook ackee and salt fish. She can't eat salt fish, so she never tried the dish. So she wanted something with ackee but without salt fish. And I was like, what me can make it? And just the other day I went to one Rasta cook shop and I saw a dish. I ordered a dish and it was a very simple dish, and ackee was in it. So today I'm going to copycat the Rasta dish and give to my mother to try, because she really wanted to try ackee. So she's in Jamaica for about 6 months already or so, maybe a little bit more, but I've never tried ackee, and she is very curious because we are eating again selfish and it looks so yummy. So she was wondering what yummy about it, what yummy about ackee. Yes, ackee is very yummy, so me I go introduce her to ackee today. And yes, I am going to use tin ackee. Shame on me. Yes, I know I live in Jamaica, but you know, in St. Anne Parish, ackee was steer. I'm gonna like them, so you know, because when we used to live at Portmore, ackee was never a problem for we. Ackee was cheap, used to cheap, because right now I'm gonna live in Portmore, so I can't tell you right now the situation staying at Portmore. But when we used to live 2 years ago in Portmore, ackee was something, if you want it, you can get it easily. And right now, I'm not gonna talk about for the old parish St. Anne, because I'm in a St. Anne's Bay area, and here it seems like a little problem to find fresh ackee on the road. Either price up or either you can't see none. But if you start go to a fruit market, but on the road I didn't see it, so I have to use that today. So my mother wait pan a dish, look pan me like, girl, jump on work, me want some. Yeah, so I go make a dish for her with ackee. Yeah, make sure try ackee. So this is the tin I go try, and I am double checking if it contains sugar, and it has like dietary fiber 2 gram, total sugars 2 gram, non-edited sugars. That is very good for her. So my mom is as well diabetic, so she have to double check all her stuff to see if stuff contains sugar, because she's very careful with herself. She's not taking no medication. She eats sugar free. Alright, so the 2 grams of sugar seems alright. I've never seen that type of ackee yet in the tin. Most of the times people use grace ackee in a tin, but something new me did decide to try. Yeah. Have you ever eaten ackee? Have you ever eaten ackee?
No.
And this living in St. Anne. Oh, what that? Why it's crush up so? How you look so? I've never I'm ackee from a teen. So I've never cooked before, like used, because it doesn't require cooking. Well, it says you just have to drain and you're good to go with it. I've never have experience with tin ackee. It's my first time using tin ackee. in a dish, and we are going to drain separate liquid from tin and the ackee. Oh man, the situation. So basically you have to boil it is ready. All you need to do is just drain it and put it on the stove, put it in a pot, but you have to drain it good. But I am afraid to wash it away because I got wash away big time. I'm afraid to wash away all my ackee because you see already water is not like a liquid water, it is like ackee water, ackee puree. So I think I am going to satisfy with that. So the dish is very simple. You just simply chop all the fresh vegetables. Look on the okra. I want to show you the okra. Look how healthy the okra is. I absolutely love okra. Look upon the hugeness of the okra. No sir. Just I go and chop everything. It is an easy dish, but it requires a lot of chopping and a lot of vegetables. See? Yeah, but me already start heat up oil and prepare my aroma oil, making oil aromatic with my vegetables them. And the thing is that I can't throw ackee along with all the vegetables because ackee from tin, so I'm gonna mash up. So we have to first steam the veggies and then just add the ackee. That is the idea of the dish. Yeah. So let's see how it will come out. I shall go like it. I just sad I couldn't get ackee, fresh ackee, but she really wanted to try. I'm gonna feel like if me not gonna do it right now, she not gonna try ackee. Cause me ever busy. Baby, I keep me busy ever. Also keep me busy ever. So that is the thing. Mom, скажи всем привет. See them, mother?
Привет.
Yeah. She kinda sad she have to go. So if she's sad, excuse her sadness, is it? Or just feelings. So the base ready. The stew, vegetable stew. This is a vegan dish as well. So if you wanna try it, are you a vegan or you're keto, it's a nice option for you as well. You can take the recipe and go and try it in your kitchen. So I'm going to, what is not a ital thing, is it? You have to put some seasoning on it. Is it? It requires little flavor. But if you want to make it ital, just make it ital. Just don't put no seasoning at all. This side I'm going to boil some green bananas. Get a little charged before she fly out. Some green bananas. Them is a very good. They are a very good option for your diabetic people as well. Yeah, green bananas. And that's what I got you with right now. Yes, it's a nice meal, nice healthy meal on the stove. Yes, island meal. So guys, that's the result, and I am a little bit disappointed. I am a little bit disappointed, definitely, because them ackee too mash up. The ackee have to firm. I mean, you know, you have to boil ackee good, but not to that stage where it just looks like somebody did I eat and then sneeze and all the food come out. Give my mom a try a dish. Это ackee. Пока ты попробуешь. So my mom is going to try veggies and ackee and boiled banana. So
Очень вкусно.
She said very tasty. Hey Mila, what's up Mila? Hey Mila. Mila is doing it. Just feeding Mila here the baby food. And yeah, eating. Everybody ate.
Ямайская еда очень вкусная и мне очень-очень нравится.
Хорошо. Yeah guys, so my mom is saying that so far all the food she tried, Jamaican cuisine, she loved. She absolutely loved all the food she tried so far. Yeah. Alright, so that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.